Today, we're going to delve into a financial strategy used by the wealthiest individuals. The 75 by 15/10 rule, a powerful tool to manage your money like the 1%. Whether you're starting your journey to financial stability or seeking to enhance your current financial management, this rule might just be the game changer you need. Number 1. Discussing the 75 by 15/10 rule. This is not just about numbers. It's a mindset shift towards financial responsibility. The 75% for living expenses might seem like a large chunk, but it encompasses more than just bills. It reflects your lifestyle choices. It's not just about living within your means. It's about actively choosing what kind of life you want to lead. By understanding and evaluating our expenses, we gain insight into what brings us real value and what might be unnecessary. Essentials like housing, food, and utilities fall under this category, but it's crucial to assess if these are needs or desires. Differentiating between the two allows us to make more intentional spending choices. For instance, is daily takeout coffee or frequent dining out adding substantial value to your life? Or could that money be better utilized elsewhere? Perhaps in long-term investments or experiences that truly matter? The 15% set aside for retirement and long-term savings is an investment in your future self. It's about realizing that our ability to work and earn won't last forever. By making consistent contributions to retirement accounts and other long-term savings, you're essentially investing in your peace of mind. You're building a safety net for the future, ensuring that you can maintain your desired lifestyle well into your retirement years. The remaining 10% allocated for short-term savings or managing debts plays a vital role in securing your financial freedom. This portion helps in clearing high-interest debts and setting up an emergency fund. Having a financial cushion for unexpected expenses is an integral part of a healthy financial plan. It prevents the need to rely on high-interest credit cards or loans, ultimately saving you money in the long run. Understanding and implementing this rule isn't about restriction. It's about empowerment. It's a framework that provides a clearer path toward financial stability and security. Assess your expenses, make conscious choices, and see the difference it can make in achieving your financial goals. Number 2. 75% for living expenses. Let's explore the 75% allocation for living expenses in more detail. It's more than just about paying bills. It's a holistic approach to evaluating our lifestyle. When we break down this 75%, it's not solely about what we have to pay, but what we choose to pay for. For example, housing encompasses more than just the roof over our heads. It includes the neighborhood, the size of the space, and the amenities that come with it. It's about understanding what fits our needs without overstretching our financial capacity. Similarly, food expenses extend beyond mere sustenance. It's about the choices we make daily, the balance between eating out, meal prepping, or dining at home. Transportation goes beyond owning a car. It includes maintenance, fuel, insurance, and even alternative modes of commuting that might be more cost-effective. It's about optimizing these expenses to fit within the designated 75%. Utilities are more than just water, electricity, and internet bills. They also encompass the usage and efficiency within our homes. How mindful are we about conserving energy or reducing unnecessary expenses in this category? The essence of this segment lies in making intentional decisions. It's about aligning our expenses with our values and priorities. It's not about frugality for the sake of saving, but about conscious spending. Allocating 75% to these areas means finding the perfect balance between enjoying life and ensuring financial stability. It's not always about making more money, but about managing it wisely. Remember, living within your means is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of reassessment and adjustment. As life changes, so do our financial needs. This segment's goal is to strike a balance that accommodates your lifestyle while aligning with your long-term financial goals. Number 3. 15% for retirement and long-term savings. The 15% allocation for long-term savings and retirement marks a pivotal step in securing your financial future. While it might seem like a smaller portion compared to living expenses, its impact is monumental. This segment is about embracing the power of compounding interest and the value of thinking ahead. Retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA, serve as the cornerstones for building a robust financial safety net for the future. Contributing consistently to these accounts is like planting seeds for a bountiful harvest. The magic lies in the compound interest that multiplies your savings over time. It's essentially making money work for you. The earlier you start, the more significant the potential gains. Moreover, this segment is not solely about retirement. It's also about preparing for other long-term goals. It might encompass investments in assets like real estate, stocks, or bonds, allowing your money to grow beyond conventional retirement accounts. Diversifying your portfolio within this segment helps in spreading risk and maximizing potential returns. Financial planners often stress the importance of this 15%, emphasizing that it's the foundation of financial security. While it might not deliver immediate gratification, it's an investment in your peace of mind. It's about creating a safety net that allows you to weather unforeseen storms or transition into the next phase of life comfortably. Consider this segment as a gift to your future self. It's an act of self-care, ensuring that your hard-earned money isn't just spent on the present but preserved and grown for the years to come. So, while it might feel less urgent than current expenses, its significance in securing your financial stability cannot be overstated. Number 4. 10% for short-term savings or debts. The 10% designated for short-term savings or debt management is a crucial part of the 75/15/10 rule, playing a pivotal role in shaping your financial stability. This segment serves as a bridge between your present and your future, ensuring a safety net for unexpected events while also aiming to reduce financial burdens. Building an emergency fund is the cornerstone of this 10%. It acts as a financial cushion, providing a safety net for unexpected expenses or sudden financial shocks. This fund is not merely about a rainy day stash. It's about peace of mind. Having an emergency fund means you're prepared for unforeseen circumstances, whether it's a sudden health expense, a car repair, or unexpected job loss. Additionally, this segment also addresses the management of outstanding debts. Tackling high-interest debts falls within this realm. Prioritizing the repayment of debts, especially those with higher interest rates, is a step towards achieving financial freedom. By reducing debts, you not only decrease financial stress but also save significantly on interest payments in the long run. Understanding the balance between saving for emergencies and paying off debts is essential. It's about finding the equilibrium that works for your financial situation. Creating a plan to systematically pay off debts while concurrently building an emergency fund is key. Moreover, managing this 10% effectively could mean more than just paying off debt. It might also include investing in yourself through short-term courses, skill development, or small-scale ventures that can potentially increase your income over time. The segment's power lies in its duality, mitigating financial risks by preparing for the unexpected while simultaneously diminishing the weight of debts, propelling you closer to financial freedom. Number 5. Tips for implementing the rule. Successfully implementing the 75/15/10 rule is more than just a financial guideline. It's a lifestyle shift. It demands a strategic approach and a commitment to reshaping your relationship with money. Here are some insightful tips to effectively integrate this rule into your financial routine. Begin with creating a comprehensive budget. Track and analyze where your money goes. This will provide a clear picture of your spending habits, allowing you to identify areas where adjustments can be made. Cutting down on unnecessary expenses is a crucial step. It's not about deprivation but about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Prioritizing savings is pivotal. Once you've identified areas where costs can be trimmed, direct these savings towards the designated segments of the 75/15/10 rule. Automating your savings can be a game changer. Set up automatic transfers or direct deposits into separate savings accounts allocated for each segment. This way, you ensure that the money you've earmarked for specific purposes goes where it's intended without the temptation to spend it elsewhere. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan is essential. Your financial situation will evolve, and so should your plan. Perhaps a promotion means more income, or unexpected expenses arise that need to be accommodated. By revisiting and adapting your plan, you ensure it stays relevant and aligned with your current circumstances. Another valuable tip is seeking financial education and advice. Whether it's through books, courses, or consulting with financial professionals, improving your financial literacy can significantly enhance your ability to manage your money effectively. Remember, the 75/15/10 rule isn't about strict rigidity. It's a flexible framework that adapts to your life. It's a tool for empowerment, guiding you towards a more secure financial future. The 75/15/10 rule is a tool utilized by the financially savvy to manage their money effectively. Remember, this isn't about restricting your lifestyle. It's about making informed choices that secure your financial future. What other financial strategies do you use? Let us know in the comments below.